In this video, you'll learn how to add an audio file to your WordPress site. This process will enable you to enhance your posts or pages with audio content, making them more engaging for your audience. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option on the main dashboard. This is typically located in the upper section of the interface, allowing easy access to your created sites. After locating the Sites option, click on it to view a list of all the sites you've created. Identify the specific site where you want to add the audio file. Selecting the correct site is crucial because each site has its unique settings and content management. Once you have chosen your site, look for a button labeled Close within the site editor interface. This button is often positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking Close will take you back to the main editing area where you can make further modifications. Next, find and click on the plus icon, usually located on the left side of the screen. This icon allows you to add new content blocks to your page. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear displaying various content options that you can incorporate into your site. After the menu appears, click on the search bar within this menu. This search functionality will help you quickly find the audio block. Typing audio into the search bar will filter the options to display relevant results, making it easier to locate the audio feature. Once you type audio, you will see an option labeled audio appear in the results. Click on this option to proceed. This action will add the audio block to your editing area, ready for you to upload your audio file. Now look for the Upload Audio button within the audio block. Clicking this button will prompt you to select an audio file from your device. It is important to consider the file size before uploading, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed and connection stability. After clicking Upload Audio, a file selection dialog will open. Browse through your files to choose the desired audio file. Once you have found the file, click on it to select it for upload. And after selecting the audio file, click on the Open button in the file dialog. This action will initiate the upload process depending on your file size and internet connection. You may see a progress indicator while the upload completes. Once the upload is finished, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the audio has been successfully added. This confirmation is crucial as it assures you that your audio content is now part of your site, ready for your audience to enjoy.